We've been on an absolute tear this summer with new AI model drops from Cline to the new DeepSeek version 4 generally available models, the Kimi K3, GLM 5.3, and a ton more. And these open weight models are getting ridiculously good at coding. But there's still one big problem. How do you actually run all of them without spending a fortune? Because as you know, they may be open weight, but to host them locally is quite tough. Because sure, you can actually run smaller models locally, but once you get into the massive frontier class open weight models, you're dealing with huge VRAM requirements, quantization, slower inference, and extremely expensive hardware. And I mean, just take a look at the GPU prices right now. The RTX Pro 6000 was spotted at over 15K USD after reportedly jumping more than $5,000 in a week. And to be fair, these prices are only just going to keep on going higher due to the high demand of AI GPUs. And APIs aren't always cheap either, especially when an agent is constantly reading files, editing code, running tools, and burning through tokens on real tasks. But that's where ClinePass comes in. I've actually worked with the Cline team to get you guys ClinePass for just only $1.99 for your first month, and then it's $9.99 per month, giving you roughly 2 to 5 times the usage on popular open weight coding models compared to standard API rates. And what I also like here is that you're running these models directly through Cline. We've actually covered Cline many times before, and the harness actually matters a lot. The way it manages context, tools, errors, and the entire agent loops can completely change how well the same model actually performs. So today, I'm going to be showcasing the easiest and best way for you to run these open weight models on your computer and make the most out of it for cheap. If you want the best AI tools, workflows, and drops before everyone else, join my free newsletter with the link in the description below, which is completely free. Now, to get started, you can obviously use Cline directly from the CLI or through the IDE, which is something that I personally use, but you can even use the SDK and embed it. But what we're going to be doing is now setting up this extension if you do not have Cline. And this is something that you probably have seen multiple times on this channel because we were actually one of the first few channels to cover Cline. But simply go over to the extension store and then search up Cline, and then you will be able to find that Cline extension and then just simply click on install. And then on the left hand panel, you will see the Cline extension. Now, what you're going to want to do is you want to then click on the link in the description below, and that is where you can get your first month of ClinePass for just $1.99. You can then log in with that account directly within this account setting. So I'm going to go ahead and actually purchase my own plan, and then we're going to go ahead and start testing it out. So after you have gotten the client pass, what you can then do is just simply go into VS Code, and then you can simply just go ahead and log in with an account. It'll either prompt you to sign up, but this is where you can just simply log in with the account that you have purchased your client pass with. But now that we have purchased the client pass and now that we have authenticated it directly within the client extension, what I want to do is head over to the settings tab. And then what you want to do first is you want to select the API provider for both plan and act mode to the new client pass subscription that you have. And you'll see right away you have access to all of these incredible models directly within the client pass, which you're getting at 2 to 5 times extra usage than the original model, which is nuts. And this is directly powered by Cline. So you're obviously going to get the best results. You can do this for both of the different modes. So make sure you do that for both act and plan mode. If you do not have these two different modes, when you are to click on plan mode, you can checkmark this where you're able to then use different models for both of these two separate modes. And also something else to note is that you even have free tiers. So this is something where you're going to be able to try different models with limited free usage at no cost. And this is separate from your Cline Pass quota. So if you do not even want to purchase the Cline Pass, you can even get access to these incredible models completely for free. And I've actually tried the Laguna S2.1 and it's actually quite remarkable, as well as the DeepSeek version for Flash. And just to reiterate this, you're not only getting insanely cheap and practical access to these open weight models, you're also getting Cline's harness around them, which is arguably just as important because the harness controls how the model gathers context, calls tools, edit files, interprets terminal outputs, handles errors, and keeps that think, act, observe, adjust loop going. In Cline's own terminal bench testing, that translated into top tier performance with open weight models. especially on long iterative tasks that require many tool calls. So you're getting both sides of the equation here, the models and the harness designed to actually get the most out of them. Now, currently, the best two open weight models at the moment in terms of reasoning as well as overall intelligence is the GLM 5.3 and the Kimi K3. But obviously, if you want speed and efficiency, you can probably opt in for the DeepSeek model. But I would prefer using these two over DeepSeek at the moment. So, what I'm going to be actually doing is using the GLM 5.3's reasoning for the planning mode within the actual client extension. And this is where you can head over to the plan mode and then you can select the GLM 5.3, and then what you can do is you can then head over to the act mode. And this is where you can select the Kimi K3, which is the leading open weight model at the current moment. And this way you're basically running these incredible two models at just a price of $1.99. And then once you have selected it, you can obviously click done, but you can also even change the reasoning efforts. So for the GLM 5.3, I'm going to be changing it to X high. And then for the act mode for Kimi K3, I'm also going to be changing it to X high because I want to get the best outputs. And then we can click done. And now we can get started with our workflow. Now, Cline as an extension is incredible. You can obviously approve all of the commands automatically, like YOLO mode. You can enable notifications as well. You even have the ability to track your history, all the little things that you would want from a coding agent, like the MCP servers, remote servers. Everything could be configurable. And this is why the harness itself is incredible. But now we're going to put this to the test. We're going to first start off with the plan mode. And this is where we're going to have our GLM 5.3 focus on creating this plan to build out a full stack web app that's called Home Vault. And essentially, this is an app that helps households keep track of everything they own, including like the loose receipts, warranty information, as well as something that just helps them track everything within their household. So, this is where we're going to now have it work on executing the plan. And obviously, you can have it run through all the commands, which is what Cline is doing right now. So, we're going to have the GLM 5.3 powered by the ClinePass work on executing this task for us autonomously. And there we go. This is the plan that it had created. And this is exactly why the harness matters because Cline didn't just randomly dump out some random plan. It is something that talks about the full tech stack, what it needs, inspected environments, mapped out everything from the database, storage, reminder system, and everything that we had asked for within our prompt. And we got this beautiful plan that the Kimi model will then act upon when you switch over to act mode. And now what we can do is just simply go ahead and have it focus on executing this task. So you can see right away, it is going to now autonomously execute this task as we have now switched it over to the Kimi model. Currently, the Kimi model is deploying sub-agents as well to execute this task. And you can see that it is working on writing down all the code as well for this to be functional. Just like that, Cline was able to now output this beautiful application for us. So let's just take a look at it. It focused on everything that we had asked for, from storage to database to the front end. Everything has been functionally created. This is stuff that actually works, guys. It's not just a basic front end that it ended up generating. All the components were fully coded out with the Kimi model. And you can see that you even have the profile that actually is being managed with our storage system that has all of the members a part of our family, which is the home app. You have the inventory where you can manage all your invoices as well as your products. And each of the different individual products, you can upload the photos. You can even track the warranty, maintenance, when you need to get that maintenance done, if there's any repairs, recalls, or history. So this is actually a pretty cool little app that I had just created with these two models. And I'll be honest, if I was to brief up a little bit of the front end, which I can do with the Kimi model, and then if I pitch it over to a couple of companies, I can even sell it. So this is something that even has printable PDFs, which you see over here. I'm able to print this as a PDF and then save it for others. And you can even download the CSV. This was a simple app that I just simply created directly within Cline. And thanks to the ClinePass, I didn't pay anything. You can see this, zero total. This was all done with $1.99. And that is a generous limit and usage quota throughout the month that you can use. So you're just getting practically crazy usage out of these insane models throughout the month for such a cheap price. And there we go. As you saw, we were able to build out a full on ready application with open weight models through Cline. And you saw how easy it was to set up these models, especially with this harness, and that we were able to run it for extremely cheap prices. And I think that really highlights the value of this Cline Pass because You're getting easy access to some of the best open weight coding models without needing expensive hardware or managing separate APIs, while also getting clients harnessed to actually get the most out of them. For $9.99 a month and just $1.99 for your first month with the offer below, I think it's a really compelling option if you're doing a lot of agentic coding, and it's something that I would highly recommend making the most out of. But huge thanks to Cline for sponsoring today's video. I'd highly recommend checking it out with the links in the description below. And with that said, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave all these links there. Make sure you also go ahead and take a look at the World of AI benchmark. Join our second channel by subscribing. Make sure you also subscribe to the newsletter, join the Discord, follow me on Twitter, and lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos so that you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys really shortly. Peace out, fellas.